Today we are going to discuss about calculation amount of subscription. Two things we must have to be considered. The first one is that the opening date and the closing date. Opening date and the closing date. We all know that the financial year of a business which start from 1st April to 2013, 1st April 2013. So the closing date should be 31st March 2014 or 1st January 2013 and 31st December 2013. I think all know that. The second thing is that the previous year and current year. Previous year and current year. Now if it is 2020, so what should be the previous year? The previous year should be 2019. Like that. I think these two terms you all understood. Now there is current year. We told it is current year and previous year, closing date and opening date and all. Current year is calculation. All calculations, see, current year is equal to closing date. Closing date's calculation. These two calculations are same. Calculations for these are same. Also, the previous year and the opening date. These calculations are also same. Current year and the closing date, previous year and the opening date. So I just tell about it's same, current year and closing. So current year, the outstanding amount. In the question, if there is current year, the outstanding amount we should add. The amount should be added. In current year, the prepaid amount. The prepaid amount we should have to less. I think you all understood. Current year, outstanding amount must be added. Prepaid amount should be subtracted. Current year means it is same as closing date. If it is closing date also, the amount or outstanding amount should be added and prepaid amount should be less. Current year or the closing date. Closing date, outstanding amount. Now the previous year or what? Opening date. Opening date. Its outstanding amount or prepaid amount and prepaid amount. Why should we want to do that? Just opposite of this. Outstanding amount of previous year we should have to subtract it and the prepaid amount of the previous year should be added. While looking the question itself, we want to identify it is the opening date, opening or closing. We must have to consider opening or closing or previous year or current year. We must have to look. Is the question. There are two types. We just said it earlier. First, opening or closing or previous or current year. We just have to look how the question is. So I found that the question is opening and closing. It is the first case. Opening or closing. So what we have to do is that we just said it earlier. When it is, see, closing date or current year, outstanding amount should be added. Prepaid amount should be subtracted. We said it earlier. So here, subscription received in 2013, 18,300. We just want to write it out. Subscription outstanding on 1st January 2013. What we want to do? We must have to subtract. Subscription outstanding on 31st December 2013. we must have to add. Understood? Then subscription received in advance, which means prepaid. 1st January 2013. What should have to do? Add. Subscription received in advance in 31st December 2013. Subtracted. How we do all this? By looking this. We must have to get thorough on this section. Current year outstanding amount. Here, which is the current or closing date? It is the closing date. Closing date, outstanding amount, we just add it. Then current year prepaid, current year here, current year or closing date, prepaid amount, we just subtracted. See this? Do you understand? So now we can move on to our format section. Now we are going through our calculation. Question number 1. Subscription amount to be credited. The question is credited. See this? Credited to income and expenditure account. And first subscription, just write it here. Subscription received in 2013. Just the question has itself, write it here. Subscription received in 2013, 18,300. And those which we want to add, subscription outstanding on 31st December 2013, 1,300. Then we must have to add this one. Subscription prepaid on 1st January 2013, 750. Now we want to subtract subscription outstanding on 1st January 2013, 900. Next, subscription prepaid on 31st December 2013. How much? 540. Now, through a calculator, we must adding 18,300 plus 1,300 plus 750 minus 900 minus 540, and the answer is 18,910. And we write it here. Subscription amount to be credited to income and expenditure account.